Assalamu alaikum. I'll be presenting about our Web Programming 2 project, which is creating a website using MVC structure, which will include servlets, JSP pages, and Java beans. So we have decided to create a project on airline system, and this is where we have the source folders, our database file, and the Java connectors.jar files. So we'll move to NetBeans and check out the project files. So we'll start with .bean files. Here we have the booking.bean files. Here, as you can see, that we have set the classes, individual classes for every single parameters. For example, we'll choose the, say, this one, get adult parameter. So this parameter is used here in order to gain access, so that the parameter used in booking servlet.java, which is actually the main servlet processing the data from the index page, and this is the booking servlet where we are extracting the data from the bookingbean.java, and the data from the database is being extracted with the help of a bean. We also have beans for every single .java files. For example, login bean.java. So here, every single class refers to a particular variable which is used in the index pages to search. Also, we have the passenger.java bean file and the flight bean and location bean.java file. Coming to the servlets, the first servlet is booking servlet.java, which actually collects the data from the database and presents them in the results page, where a passenger will select what particular type of data what particular flight they want to fly in. Confirmation servlet.java is actually a servlet which calculates the total prices and gives a summary to the passenger what particular type of flights they're going to be flying in, the number of passengers, their passport numbers, and all other details. Here we have the details servlet, just as I mentioned. This is connected to the booking servlet, where the summary of the flights are given, and the passengers will need to enter their name and passport number and their gender, which will be eventually ended up in the database. Here are the other servlets. And if we go back to this one, DB connection, this is the .java file where we're using to connect to the database. We're using the normal localhost 3306 port to connect to our database. This is our database name, airline_system. Username root 1234 is the password, and the class, driver class, is the normal mysql.jdbc.driver. We'll have a look at our database, phpMyAdmin. Here is our database. These are the tables: booking tables, customer details, flight details, location, login, passenger details. Each table will be contributing to the entire website. So now we'll test run our application. There you go, that's our home page with the booking panel over here and many other options which are currently not working. Alright, so I'm going to choose one-way travel. For example, say we are flying from Dubai to Riyadh, and we'll choose a date, for example 27th of May, and one adult, and I'll click search. There you go. We have the booking servlet working over here, which is extracting the data for the particular date which I entered in the previous page. And here we have Emirates flying from Dubai to Riyadh with an arrival time of 8 hours, and the price is given over here. So if I want to fly with this one, I'll choose action and book now. This moves to the details servlet, where the details and the summary of the flights are given. So now here I'll have to enter my name, Mustaqim Murshid, which is, normally in any airline booking system, these are the basic requirements: your name, passport number, because those are things which are actually going to validate you as a passenger. So when that's done, we'll click checkout, And there you go, the booking is complete and it is shown in confirmation servlet. So here you can see the PNR, the details of the customer, the traveler, my name, my passport number, my gender, and the status is confirmed. Here, this one calculates the total price, and here on the right panel, I have the details of my flight. So that's all for our project. Hope you mark as well. Thank you.